with Zuni.
Hello kids, do you want to learn a magical letter today? That sounds like a wind. Welcome to Arabic with Zuni. Today we will learn the special letter Khaa. Its sound is like Khaa. Can you try it with me? Khaa, 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 Khaa. Wow, you did amazing, mashallah. You will pronounce it like your round lips and you will say Khaa. The sound will come from your throat.
Okay.
Khaa, Khaa. This is the correct pronunciation of this letter. When we say Ha, then Ha is also from throat. Ha. And this one, Kha. Ha, Kha. Khaa. Khaa, Khaa, it's so cool. Learn with Zuni, here's the rule. Clap your hands, shout hooray. Learning Khaa is fun today. Yay! Now let's draw the letter Khaa. It's same like Jim and Ha. But Jim's dot was in the center and Ha was free from any dot. While Khaa has a dot on the top.
Wow.
Okay, let's start it with a hook and a half circle and then a dot on the top. Yay, this is Khaa. Easy peasy. Draw it again. Hook and a half circle with a dot on top. Everyone trace it in the air with your finger.
Okay.
Hook and a half circle with a dot on top.
Yes.
Yes, wow, how amazing artist you are. There are many words start with the letter Khaa. Khaa for Khorof, sheep. Khaa for khubz, bread. Khaa for khiyar, cucumber. Khaa for Khayma, tent. Khaa for khayl, horse. But my favorite is Kharoof and khubz, sheep and bread. Okay everyone, let's play a Khaa clap game.
Yes.
I'll say a word. If it starts with Khaa, clap your hands. If not, then you have to freeze like a statue. Okay, ready? Kharoof. Kitab. Freeze. Khubz. Bab. Wow, you are so smart, mashallah. Good job. Khaa for Khorof, fluffy and white. Khaa for khubz, yummy bite. One little dot sitting high. Wave to Khaa and say goodbye. Bravo kids, you did amazing learning the letter Khaa today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. See you next time with another letter. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.